One of the most exciting frontiers is how AI is accelerating drug discovery. Deep learning platforms like AlphaFold are revolutionizing how protein structure is predicted, which is crucial for understanding how potential drugs interact with the targets in the brain. Meanwhile, platforms like Atomwise use neural networks to screen millions of compounds in a fraction of time it would take with traditional methods. Beyond creating new drugs, AI is also giving old drugs a new life. Drug repurposing models use pattern recognition to find surprising correlations between existing FDA approved medications and their potential to treat neurodegenerative disorders. This not only reduces costs, but also speed up clinical deployment, bringing relief to patients sooner.
Rehabilitation is no longer a rigid, uniform program. With AI, rehab becomes adaptive and interactive. AI powered robotic exoskeletons assist Parkinson's patients in walking by learning and adjusting to their unique gait. Virtual reality platforms enhanced by AI are designing cognitive games tailored to an Alzheimer's patient current ability, tracking real time progress and adjusting difficulty levels accordingly. AI also extend to lifestyle management. Tools using AI analyze genetic data, gut microbiome compositions, and metabolic profiles to create a hyper personalized nutrition and wellness plans. AI enabled wearables continuously monitor sleep patterns, physical activity, and stress markers, allowing both patient and doctors to tweak routines for better outcomes.